My question is, what advice would beloved Huzoor give to become a good husband and a parent?
MashaAllah, are you married?
No, I'm not.
So you are preparing yourself for that. Huh? Acha, MashaAllah. How old are you?
23.
23?
Ji.
That's quite ripe time for marriage. Huh? Right? Acha, Allah Ta'ala give you a good match. Huh? Good wife. But you yourself have to be very much humble and nice in this regard. You see, don't think that in this world any person is perfect. If husband and wife know everyone has some shortcomings in them, then they should give margin to each other. And instead of getting annoyed or start quarreling or fighting with each other because of their shortcomings, you always see the good things in them. So instead of finding the bad things or shortcomings in each other, you should try to find good things in each other. So that is the only way you can be a good husband. And for your children, you have to be very kind. You have to be morally good. You have to set your own example before them. If you set your own example first before your wife and then your children, then you will see that they will follow you. If you are saying something different and asking them to do something different, so they will say, my father is, or my husband is hypocrite. He's doing something different and asking us to do something different. So your words and your actions should be the same. Right?
Ji.
That will help you to make a good family life. And train your children and do proper tribute of your children. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.